Whoops. The scenery here is unbelievable. Lots of climbing, but totally worth it. Look at this. So beautiful when you're on a bike. Wait, go, go, go. Chin on my inner track stand there. If you don't have a pancake, big ring, granny gear, whatever you call it, and a dropper post, you may not want to come here, or just may not go to the summit like I'm doing, because it is a grind. I want to try the first 4 features at PBJ again. I need to come out here all day though. I mean, there's so many huge jumps on it. There's just no way I'm not good enough to get good at that in half hour. I don't want to spend all day on jumps either. I want to go up to the top. Hey, what's going on, man? Big jump, but I got it. Nice. That's a big spine right there. Not bad though. Gap, and then a drop right here. Whoa, that's huge. Fun though. Rocky Branch has got some really cool wooden bridges. It makes it really neat to ride over some of the drainage. Wait, boy, really rocky though. Pedal strike. All right, I'll save you the boring climbing. All right, I have Dolphin Disco to the right, Old Haas up top. If I take Dolphin, according to the map, I don't get to the summit, so I'm gonna take Old Haas up here. What does it say here? This trail is remote, advanced trail, large jumps, rocks, gaps exist. Alternate lines are more difficult. Helmets required, knee pads, elbow pads, strongly recommended. Don't have those with me. They're in the car, so let's do this. All right, I need to do New Boss because I have had so many people. That guy's walking down the trail of Black Forest, but Black Forest is a double black with a red border. So I think that means pro or something. And everyone tells me don't do it without shoulder and knee pads, and those are in the car, or a full face helmet, which I have in the car as well. So I think I should just do it anyway. So let's see what happens. All right, let's see what we can get into. I mean, I won't do anything crazy, but try to see what's up here. Black Forest. I do want to come back to the New Boss though, because I don't want to miss out on that. So I may have to backtrack. Gap. You come over this rocky stuff. Oh man, I need to fly over a gap. Okay, I think I can do that. I just need speed, which is challenging with all these rocks. Yeah, but I think I can do that. Crap. I think I got that. Let me try it. Let me get into a better gear. Not that gear. I need to be able to pedal. All right. Here we go. Yep. Oh yeah, I got that. Nice. All right. And then I don't want to miss stuff though. Maybe I should go back to New Boss Let me end the video. You know what though? I could always hike it back up. Let me go ahead and roll down some of this Black Forest double black just to see what some of it's like. See if I can catch those dudes down there. Oh, whoosh. Okay, that's just a roller. Oh fuck, I'm off my pedals. There we go. Wow, it is steep, bruh. No wonder they said bring some shin guards and all that crap. I don't want to bottom out my bracket. Let me drop that one. You? Hey, what's going on, man? Dude, all right. Whoa, look at this.
Yeah. I gotta learn this stuff.
Yeah. I think I saw one of your videos.
I don't know about that. Maybe
no?
I'm in Florida.
Oh, maybe not then. Okay. Holy cow.
Believe it or not, we have stuff similar to this.
Really?
And,
this looks gnarly. I'm afraid I'm gonna really, without a knee pad, shin pad, or like you have a full face helmet. Yeah, I did that jump up there and it was big.
You did the gap.
Yeah.
I skipped that. I might do that last day of vacation.
Yeah, I hear you. I'm gonna kind of mosey down here and see what these other drops are. Can you get back to New Boss?
I don't know, man. It's been 2017 since I've been out here. This is my first time this trip.
Okay.
Yeah.
I might have to walk it back up. I do want to hit New Boss. It looks fun.
Yep.
And it's chunky, dude. This must be another jump, I guess. Okay. Yeah, I can do that, I think. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try this one, I guess. I think it looks okay. Man, I tell you what, I don't want to go down though. This stuff's kind of, I forgot where I was supposed to look. Hang on. Yeah. All right. I think if I take this line, I think I just pop over it like a drop almost.
Oh, man.
You know? What do you think? It's bigger than it looks on video.
It's not too flat.
Right, it's not too flat, so.
A little bit of slope there, yeah.
All right, let me let it rip. Whew. Yeah. All right, it's not too bad, man. If you want. Oh, man, it's steep. Whew. Yeah. Step up. That's pretty fun. Crap, I'm going all the way down this thing. Dang it. I need to get back up to New Boss. Oh man, it's chunky. Whew. Video does not do this thing justice. Whew. All right, I guess I'll, crap, let me see what the map says. I don't want to go all the way down. Some kind of rock feature down here. This one looks huge, but all right, we go to the right here. Oh no, I don't think so. Is this a roll? Oh, that's a drop. Okay, I think I can do that. Come in here. Yeah, I think I can do that one too. Let's try that. Oh man, that looks a little scary, but let me double check it again because it looks super bouncy. Come in here and then your back tire is going to hit, so I need to be prepared to pop right there. Okay, my back tire is going to pop, so I need to kind of compensate by pulling the front end up, I think, so I don't get bucked, so to speak, over the bars. Let me try this one. thinking it's okay, I think. Oh, whoa, fuck. That's the scariest one of them all. Goodness. Okay, I need to probably turn around. I don't need to be going all the way down this thing. All right, I'm gonna stop the video, see if I can't climb back up somewhere. Okay, did an excruciatingly painful hike back up Black Forest to ride New Boss. And the dudes up here at the intersection were telling me that there's really not too much to watch out for. It says major drops and features ahead, but whatever, we'll try it. I'll try to go slow it down my first time down, I guess. What? That's a huge drop. What's he talking about, man? Hey-o. Oh, hey, how you doing? Good to see you again. Hey, thank you. Yeah. Hey, going down now. New Boss. Super fun little trail. Yeah. What's this thing? Is this a feature? Doesn't really look like one. Forearms are tired from braking. Wow. Man, drop down a gear. Doing some climbing here. What was that? It just got me. Oh yeah. Missed that feature. Yeah, going back to do that, can't miss a drop. I need to get some speed for that. That's not enough. Redo. All right, I should do it. That's more substantial than it looks. You, there we go. Yeah. Rocky makes my flats bounce. Ew. Don't rock the boat. That's what we're doing. See why they call it Rocky Eye. Rock garden. You. Man, that's rough. Jeez. Uphill, uphill, uphill. All right, back downhill. Uphill. And oh, more rocks. Boy. Forgot to bring my goggles and get hitting bugs in the face all day. Wah. Man, that's so fun. Gah! New Boss is my new favorite flow trail. Wow. It's like Ridgeline in DuPont, but on steroids. Wow. I'm going back uphill again. Crap. Just as I say that, going back uphill. But the flow, when it's there, is insane. It's like Steve Trail in Charlotte, but much longer. Some of these sections. Whew. I have not hit Stone Soup yet either. Oh, outline, I guess. Spider web off my face. Hey-oh! Yes! Stone Summit! Alright, I need to try Stone Summit, I think. Alright, let me try to go down some of this Stone Soup. Never seen this before. Don't know what it's rated, but it looks pretty gnarly. Oh, I hit my bottom bracket. That's not good. What's that? Oh, gotcha.
He did bust.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I thought he didn't hit a tunnel strike.
Oh, okay.
He didn't hit a tunnel strike, he hit a body strike.
And damn it, I bottomed out like I said I would.
Not bad. Not bad. Nope. In fact, I kind of want to hop the tire next to the wooden part.
Oh well, whatever. You did. You look like you're gonna walk it off, so that's good.
Oh yeah.
Okay, good, good. Where'd you crash?
I just hit the wrong. I just got into
The wrong line.
piece of rock.
Yeah. I thought
You said, oh, somebody
I said I
crashed.
thought
"No,
yeah, and I was
tail
kind of
strike."
it was in jest, but it was right.
There's some sharp rocks. There's
Yeah.
Some, there's very pointy rocks, and my
Yeah.
hip came right down on the
Oh.
pointy rock.
All right. See you guys down there in a little bit. Wow, that's steep. I'm sort of glad I didn't know what was coming. Wait, come on, stay in. Oh. Whew. Tell you what, that was some sharp rock gardens up there.
Yes,
you know?
sir.
You. Yo, that's fun. Woo-hoo-hoo.
We made it to the jump too.
Yes. What's this area?
The jump area.
Oh, the PBJ or something.
That's the end of PBJ right
Okay. I'll try to keep a pretty good speed. You're faster than me probably, guys, but you know, I go a pretty good clip, so I think you'll enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know the speed for anything, so I'm just.
Yeah, cool. Okay,
I'm slow and jump.
nice. Yeah, I think y'all gonna like this, man. It's super fun. Let's do it. Dude, we picked good weather, guys.
Yeah.
You know? Amen to that. Oh man, I bet. All right, so kind of this is where it starts. So drop that seat. Hey, I think this is the, is that the transfer? Oh, I'm sorry, no. That's not it.
It's a big drop though. That's cool. That looks sick.
That actually does. What is that?
I don't know.
Dude, we might need to hit that drop.
I need that, yeah. I was a little off coming down Blue Dream, I won't lie. I tried nose bonking some of the jumps.
Yeah.
It wasn't. That was chill, that was my speed. I like it. Yeah.
What's this thing? Blue Ridge. Does it look just like a pretty standard drop? I say, I'll follow you, brother.
Yeah.
Let me get in gear and then we'll just send it blind.
High? Yeah, like, I don't know if you're going to want to. the whole trail blind. I just want to make that turn, so you go up to make that turn.
Okay.
I'll figure it out.
I'm gonna come back and do Blue Dream, but I'll do the drop with you.
Oh, he's right about that high stuff.
Yeah, you're right. You. All right, fellas. Let's send it. Did I get it? Almost. And we're done. First station, all right. This is a little BMXy for me. That's a big gap. You. I need to redo that. I need to redo that. That's a fun line into the parking lot. You. Wrong gear, there's the table. You. Oh, I got that one. I just happened to see it coming, you know.